on, super free games. Major. Mini. I want 11 bucks and I can keep spinning. Yeah, mini was only 11 bucks. Major was only 142, so not huge. Super would have been nice though. That would have been 1,400 bucks. Ooh, now I can times it. Times it by 10. Send me. 10. Oh shit, I got it too. Yeah, $111. Woo! Thanks, Cosmo. Not bad for just sitting down. $111.20. That wasn't bad. And I get a spin again. Oh my goodness. Come on, keep it going. Give me the grand for $1 million. I'll take another mini. Oh, I didn't get the mini on the bonus wheel. Shitty. I got 1080 on that mini.
I think you get to do the times again.
So we were betting 375. We only have $3.50 left, and we're already up to 126.28, and it's still going. Dang it, eyes open for another minor. Oh, thank you. There you go. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Alright, now times 2 times 3. Press play. We're already at 126 in there, guys. Try and get it all in there. So max bet 375 on Buffalo, 10 free spins. Come on, give me something on the free spins. I'm not doing anything on the spins. 6 games down. Game number 7 out of 10. Come on. Oh, where's my Buffaloes on the front? One more spin. Last one. Nope. 2 more. 1 more after this. Ah, that stings. Oh well, not bad. 129.28, guys. Not bad.